Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday was a truly special day for Barça fans, a day filled with excitement, passion, and emotion. After weeks of anticipation, the team held an open training session, giving supporters the chance to see their heroes back in action. From the moment the gates opened, the energy was incredible. The stands filled quickly, with fans waving flags, chanting songs, and capturing every moment on their phones. It wasn't just a training day, it was a celebration, a reminder of the unbreakable bond between the team and its supporters. As the players stepped onto the pitch, the sound of applause echoed across the complex. The squad looked relaxed yet focused, greeting fans, smiling, and then getting straight into warm-ups. There was a perfect balance of joy and determination in the air. The drills began with quick passing sequences and ball control exercises, followed by small-sided games that brought plenty of action. Every sharp pass, every clever move, and every goal drew loud cheers from the stands. The atmosphere felt alive, the kind of connection that can only happen when players and fans share the same space. Supporters had waited a long time for this moment, and the players clearly felt that energy too. Coaches watched closely from the sidelines, guiding the flow of the session as the team moved with rhythm and confidence. A few standout performances caught the crowd's attention. New signings showing their quality, veterans leading by example, and everyone working together with a sense of unity and focus. It was football at its most genuine, full of passion, teamwork, and joy. Meanwhile, around the training ground and stadium area, visible progress continues at the Spotify Camp Nou site. Construction crews are pushing forward on multiple levels, and the vision for the new stadium is coming to life. Steel structures, renewed stands, and redesigned entrances are taking shape, each detail moving closer to the final dream of a modern, world-class home for FC Barcelona. It's inspiring to see how the club is growing both on and off the pitch, keeping its history alive while stepping into the future. Yesterday's session ended with a friendly scrimmage that had everyone on their feet. Every goal sparked cheers, and laughter filled the stands as players celebrated with smiles. When it was over, the team gathered near the fans, clapping together in appreciation. It was a heartfelt moment, players and supporters united once again. For many in the crowd, it was an unforgettable experience. Seeing their idols up close, sharing the emotion, and feeling that sense of belonging that defines what Barça truly means. The club also emphasized how open training events like this are designed to keep the community close during the stadium's transformation, ensuring that the spirit of the club stays strong throughout the journey. Meanwhile, progress at Spotify Camp Nou continues to impress. Construction crews are hard at work, preparing areas that will soon host fans in style. Each corner of the stadium shows visible change, from updated terraces to modernized entrances, reflecting the club's vision of a state-of-the-art venue. Even while the training session brought excitement on the pitch, the ongoing upgrades remind everyone that Barcelona is shaping a bright future, blending innovation with the club's proud history. As the day came to an end, one thing was clear. The connection between the players and the fans has never been stronger. The team looked sharp and motivated. The supporters were louder than ever, and the progress around the stadium continues to impress with every passing week. If you enjoyed this look at yesterday's open training and the latest developments at Spotify Camp Nou, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more updates. There's still so much more to come as we follow Barcelona's exciting journey toward a new era. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next update.